What are the benefits of managed VPS hosting? VPS hosting is an agile web hosting platform that offers numerous features at affordable prices. Managed VPS hosting is a slightly more expensive version that offers more benefits for the money. Here are some benefits of managed VPS hosting that make it worth the extra money. Better optimization. Hardware is just one factor that determines a server's performance. Infrastructure optimization also plays a crucial role. Managed VPS hosting delivers better performance with optimum optimization that's done by a team of experts. Enhanced security. A website's security depends on how well a security system has been implemented by the site owner. In managed VPS hosting, it is configured by experts who implement layered security for maximum protection. Hassle-free maintenance. A hosting server, like any other electronic device, needs regular maintenance to keep it performing flawlessly. In managed VPS hosting, the web hosting server is maintained and updated regularly by the hosting provider. Seamless scalability. As a website keeps growing, it needs more space and system resources to sustain its growth. Managed VPS hosting offers easy and seamless scalability without affecting the performance of the live site. Expert support. Technical support is an important service that can mean the difference between expensive delays and quick resolutions. Managed VPS hosting offers a proactive technical support which detects and resolves web hosting problems rather quickly. Reseller Club's managed VPS hosting service offers customized server setup, application optimizations, proactive monitoring, and specialized support. Give your website the Reseller Club advantage with full root access, server migration assistance, and expert technicians.